Good evening, and welcome back to your vital Caribbean weather update. We've got a busy Atlantic basin to track today, October 18th, 2025. But first, a quick check on the local forecast for our friends in Jamaica. For Jamaica, the weather remains relatively settled, as the major action is still far to the east. Expect mostly fair to partly cloudy skies, with only a chance of a few isolated brief showers. Winds are gentle, and marine conditions are slight to moderate. However, the bigger story is what's on the horizon, moving our way. Our main focus is an active tropical wave in the central Atlantic, currently designated by the National Hurricane Center as INVEST 98. As of this afternoon, the system is located a few hundred miles east of the Windward Islands. It's a large, well-defined system, with the axis near 48 to 49 degrees west longitude. This wave is generating a broad area of showers and thunderstorms, indicating a significant amount of moisture and convection. Satellite wind data has shown strong winds, in the range of 30 to 35 miles per hour, especially to the north of the wave axis. While it currently lacks a closed, defined circulation, meaning it is not yet a tropical depression or storm, it is certainly robust. Environmental conditions are only marginally favorable for immediate, rapid strengthening, but this is a classic late-season tropical threat. INVEST 98 is a speedy mover. It is currently zipping along to the west-to-west-northwest at a quick clip of about 15 to 20 miles per hour. The system is forecast to continue this brisk westward path. It is expected to encounter the Windward Islands, specifically the Lesser Antilles, late this weekend, meaning Sunday and Sunday night. After that, the system will continue to plow westward, moving across the eastern and central Caribbean Sea through much of next week. There is a chance that it could slow down over the central Caribbean, where conditions might become more favorable for further organization. What does this mean for the islands? Even if it does not develop into a tropical storm, this system is expected to bring significant impacts. We are talking about periods of heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and the possibility of isolated strong thunderstorms for the Windward Islands, especially the southern half, on Sunday and into Monday. Rough seas will also accompany the wave as it enters the eastern Caribbean. The National Hurricane Center gives this system a low chance of formation, 10% over the next 48 hours. However, the chance rises to a low 30% over the next 7 days, as it enters the more conducive environment of the central Caribbean next week. This is what we will be watching very closely. So, who needs to be vigilant right now? Anyone in the path of this system. This includes immediately the Windward Islands and the southern Lesser Antilles, places like St. Lucia, Grenada, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, and the ABC Islands. Prepare for heavy rain and gusty winds starting Sunday. Next week, the entire eastern and central Caribbean Sea and its adjacent islands, including the Greater Antilles, like the Dominican Republic, Haiti, Puerto Rico, and yes, Jamaica, though it's still far out. The system will be entering our general region next week, and the possibility of development will increase. We will continue to monitor the progress of INVEST 98 and bring you the very latest official updates from the National Hurricane Center. Please keep those preparations close, stay informed, and we'll see you back here soon for your next critical weather briefing. Remember to subscribe, like, and share and hit that bell. Stay safe, Caribbean.